Hello, Gary Williams here, and welcome to divorceonline.co.uk. Now, we understand that divorce is a difficult time, but securing your financial future shouldn't add to your stress. And that's why I want to talk to you today about financial consent orders, an essential yet often overlooked aspect of the divorce process. A financial consent order is a legal document that outlines how you and your ex-spouse will divide assets, debts, and pensions. Now, we offer this crucial service starting at just £399. For as low as £399, you can secure your financial arrangements and save substantially compared to high street legal fees, which means peace of mind at an affordable price. So, how does it work? Well, just visit our website and opt for the Financial Consent Order service. You'll answer some questions about your finances, and don't worry, your information is 100% secure. Our team of expert lawyers then create a tailored financial consent order that suits your specific needs. Once the draft is ready, we'll send it over for you to review. If you're happy with it, well, then we'll file the document with the court for you. And that's it, it's that easy. After a judge approves the consent order, it becomes legally binding, protecting you from future financial disputes and giving you the peace of mind you deserve. So why pay more? For as little as £399, you get clarity, security, and substantial savings compared to traditional routes. Choose divorceonline.co.uk for your financial consent order needs.